Oh.
Get off me. Go away.
Wait, let me go, you stupid weirdo. There
Yeah, I threw him. I threw him.
Hey,
There we go.
hey, get off me.
we go. You're the one holding on to me.
Why can't I grab it with both hands?
No.
Oh,
Wait,
Oh, there you go.
wait. No, you're too fat. Oh god, that's nunchucks. That's cheats.
Doesn't work, man.
Oh my god,
Oh,
he's
yeah,
cheating.
you're
That's
right.
2 knocks. I
How
might
do
get
you
fucked here.
use a melee weapon?
Oh my god, that's 3 knocks. I think I'm dead. I think that's just my death. Yeah, I died. Yeah.
he just died.
Wait, no, I'm up.
Oh, you're up,
Wait,
you're
leave me alone.
No, the
Oh,
gas. Watch out for the gas cloud.
There he is.
Take that. Oh, he's not holding that. Fuck you.
Oh, you got him. Get his nunchucks, bro.
Oh my god, leave me alone. No, leave me alone.
No.
Oh my god, that's another one. This guy's goated apparently.
I put a
Up,
bomb
get
right
up.
now, bro. I don't like that.
Oh, this guy.
Oh,
Wait, he knocked himself out. What the hell?
Surface? Let it rain.
My pussy.
Oh, he's
Into
dead.
the
He's
gas
dead.
you go.
He's dead. He's dead.
Bro.
Oh, he's dead.
Idiot. You suck. You suck.
That's-
Ah, easy game. I
Oh, I'm on your team, bro. I didn't even know I
Yeah.
was on your team.
didn't even realize either.
Oh, fuck.
Oh
my
my
fault,
God.
bro.
That's okay. It's okay.
Okay, pussy.
Get off me.
Get off me.
Come here.
Oh.
Give me this. Give me this.
All yours, bro. All yours, bro.
Ah,
All
wait,
yours.
I'm getting this out of here. Goodbye.
Hey,
Yummy.
chill. Chill, no. Please, please.
Somebody die here. Somebody die here.
Leave me alone.
The edge. How do you beat one? Oh, wait.
Oh,
Wait.
match mine, match mine.
Oh, look at
I'm
this.
back, baby!
Oh, you got back?
Back.
Wow.
No.
Idiot!
You idiot.
Oh, wait,
Are
oh,
you so
God.
dumb, bro? Nah, I
I
literally.
didn't even see you on my screen. I was just hitting, bro.
Oh. Hey, we can talk about this.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you
Wait, goodbye. Yeah, you
What?
Oh, I thought. Oh, okay. It's good. It's good. Okay.
No,
Okay.
hey, that just happened.
Goodbye, idiot.
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Yo, the 9?
Oh,
I'm gonna spray, bro. I'm spraying.
I'm
Bro,
spraying.
that guy's amazed, bro. Bro, it's a blicky. What the?
I got the gun! I got the gun! I got the gun!
Start mashing eggs.
Bro, that
Get
guy's
him off me, bro! Get him off!
throwing that damn lollipop, bro.
Oh, I died. Yeah, I got knocked out too many times.
Uh-oh.
Hey, stop! I'm trying to blicky, bro. It's not good.
Yeah, no,
This
range
thing
weapons are
sucks.
bad. Yeah, range weapons are bad.
Give me it, bro. Give me it.
Go ahead, bro.
Oh,
Pick
shit.
it up. You're gonna die.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
That dog has a lollipop.
Look at bitch. Give me your ass, boy. Your ass is mine. Oh shit. Oh, I gotta get stamina. Gotta get stamina.
Oh god.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Stop!
No,
Stop!
Max, leave me alone. Oh god, get up.
Indigo, are you dead?
Yeah, I got knocked out too many times. I got knocked unconscious too many times.
Oh, he hit me. No, I died.
Strats. Dude, you're not getting back up.
Hey, bitch.
No, wait!
Oh, wait.
Oh, get off me!
Look at bitch.
Got a present right here.
Oh,
Oh, that hit the dead body.
Look at bitch.
The two-handed is so OP.
Okay.
That is broken, bro.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
damn clean wipe, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm taking a picture, bro. Fuck off.
Thank you. That's
How's
good.
it
Two achievements.
That guy has. Oh, Half-Life. That's crazy.
That's actually interesting.
Half-Life. Half-Life dog.
Lay sushi.
Dog.
Scratch.
I'm stuck scratching his ass.
Do you press a button to do that?
No, it's just an idle animation.
Someone fell off
That guy
already,
just fell
bro.
off. I
Alright,
saw
boys,
that.
let's do it.
I thought, bro.
Bro, can
Hey,
you
let go. I thought, bro.
get off me, bro?
Hey, stop trying to hold my
What
hand,
the
bro.
fuck is this
Oh,
guy?
what the fuck is this guy?
Get him.
Okay. Oh, I got knocked out. Pick him up, though.
Throw him off, bro. We're gonna get
Pretty great them, I think.
I got him. Look you, Half-Life dog. We got dog on. Oh. Look. Ah!
Don't worry, he knocked himself out too.
Wait, hold on. I'm about to obliterate these dudes over here. Watch this.
What do you do with the lever?
You just
respawn.
push the enemy. You have to push the enemy
Let's
one.
go.
You
I
have to
killed
pull
one.
the
I
enemy
killed one.
one
I
back.
killed one. Did he respawn?
Yeah. Don't let the Half-Life dog get to our lever.
Oh, the Half-Life dog.
Just sit here and spam crossbow on them.
Oh, God, no.
The dog.
You can just
Oh, he
knock him
knocked me
off.
out.
Look, you busy?
Just make sure he doesn't pull the lever.
Oh, I dropped this.
Oh,
Can I
Oh,
drop
what's
this?
up?
Let's go. Light him up.
light him up, boys.
Am I out of ammo?
Look, you busy?
Bro, how do I drop this?
Yeah.
Double click X.
Or right trigger.
Oh.
Right trigger.
Or
actually.
right trigger. Yeah, right trigger, not X.
The gorilla.
Get off my train.
I'm gonna leave that rock there.
No, my
I gotta
rock
go stop
fell.
these guys.
Look. Ugh. He's out cold.
I got you, Linux.
Ooh, they're falling behind. We just have to keep enough. We just have to keep enough coal in ours now.
No, they're pulling our lever. They're pulling our lever.
Got me out, bro.
Oh god. Oh, lag. Oh, they're getting super far ahead. They have way more coal.
I can't throw him off, bro. I got the bat.
Oh,
Move,
Oh,
move,
get you,
move.
Get in, you stupid coal.
I got you, bro.
Throw him off.
Fucking busy.
Alright, I'll be the enforcer, boys. Get the call. I'll make sure that they don't do anything.
I'm trying. I'm
And
trying.
we'll
I'm
do the
doing it. I'm
coal.
doing it.
Yeah.
Hold on. Can I make that jump without climbing, or do I have to dish the bat?
Yeah, you should be able to jump it. Just run and jump.
I'm here, Nick. I got the bat.
Burn him.
Pull the lever. Pull the lever. Quit smacking me.
Out, bro.
Just beating his ass.
Just beating.
I got you. I'm trying to grab the lever. Okay, I'm pulling it. I'm slowing him down.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
You'll never win.
Idiot. Yeah,
Alright.
hold it down. There we go.
Yeah.
I'll keep him on.
That's huge. That's a lot.
Yeah. Look at busy. No, get away. Oh. No.
I got this, boys. I'll hold it down.
We got hella distance. though.
Let's
We
go.
got
I
hella
killed him. I killed him all.
No, look at the map, bro. We're so ahead of them.
Can I hold the lever? Can I get the lever with the bat?
I can't even like jump
No.
back. See,
Oh, we about to win. We about to
I'm holding it
win.
down, boys. I'm holding it down.
The damn shovel game.
Oh, Half-Life dog. Half-Life dog.
I think I'm good. I think I'm.
Oh, he pulled me down.
Okay, you know, I think I did my job, bro. You guys got it. And Nick behind you.
Oh.
No, he knocked me out. The swing took
Can we not
too
get any
long.
more coal?
No, once you run out, it's just a game about slowing down the other train.
No.
I'm slowing down
You're
the
coming
train.
with me one way or another.
Slowing you down more.
Ah, you stupid ape.
We won. We won. Light work. Light work.
Wow.
Yeah.
Half
Bro,
a
the
dog.
bat
You
strat
suck.
is unbeatable. That was incredible.
Bro, that dog was ugly, the golden.
Yeah.
You looking up at, bro?
Look at his name, bro.
Bro, is there a button to
Tacos de
scratch? There's no
caca.
way to scratch me that violently.
Hey, but you could have never had the itch, bro.
Ah, leave it alone, leave it alone.
Oh!
Yeah.
That is a wipe right there. Oh, you stupid duck idiot. I mean, you pig idiot. Come here. Oh, we're holding hands. Oh, nice.
Oh, you got launched.
Oh, God.
I was dead on impact, bro.
Let's go.
Oh, no, 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 no. No, I found the water. No.
You can go. You can get back up. You can get back up.
Come on, come on. No,
Yeah, you just gotta-
oh, the dog put me down. The dog put me down.
You gotta go. Oh, get
Come on,
out.
bro, we're over the box.
Let's go.
Hey,
Oh, no.
thanks for live streaming.
Let's go, my bomb is not
All right,
Come on.
all right.
Come on, I can
Yo,
make it.
chill out, gorilla.
No.
Okay, I got you, bro. Temporary truth, bro.
Oh,
We can team up on the bear or something.
oh, let's go.
Wait, hold
Xbox, yeah.
on.
Oh,
Discord.
Oh.
Yo. Wait, I think I might freeze here.
You coming up here? You coming up here? You coming up here?
Oh.
Oh, juke.
Wait.
He found the water. He found the water.
Here, why am I upside down?
Yeah,
He had it, bro.
Oh, get that
You
hammer.
had it,
Upside down in the
bro.
water, bro. What the heck?
A huge.
Almost had it. Get out of my way.
Oh, you can have it, you can have it.
Give me this over. There we go.
Oh, no. Oh.
Almost Greg, what the heck?
Bro.
I'm dead?
No, you should be up.
Oh, my
No,
bad.
I'm dead.
No, I got instant kill, bro.
You hit me one time with the shovel and I died.
I'm just gonna keep swinging. I don't care.
Bro, hit that battle.
Oh, that almost hit me.
Oh.
Oh,
there
you're in
goes
the
in there.
water.
Hey, Index.
Yeah, there's that guy.
That didn't kill you.
I'm a warrior, baby.
Oh, man.
How do we do this? Like
We just time his swing like now. Wait, no, he's dead there. Oh, you knocked me out.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Wait, no. We win this. Ah, get out of here.
Oh.
I think that's it.
No, I'm dead. Pick up the frying pan. Oh yeah, we're good.
Oh, no,
We're
you-
good.
Yeah.
It's so funny. Oh shit! He's doing the worst. He's doing the
Shaking
worst.
ass. What the hell?
Why you keep dying, yo? I've
Dog
never
shaker.
even seen
The
you
dog
alive.
shaker.
Oh, we got
Dog
Rose.
shaker.
The
The dog shaker. The dog shaker.
Bro, let me go.
Oh, no.
There you go. I got you.
What is this, bro? The Smash Bros hammer?
Oh, we got the Smash Bros hammer.
Hey,
How'd you drop
I helped you from dying, bro.
You right. Hey, blue and yellow temperature. What the?
Right. Get my taser, bro.
Ow.
Taste me, bro.
No.
Grab the hammer.
Oh, okay, that's green.
Get the hammer.
Okay.
Deserve.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, bro.
This
Trying to
red
get the
guy,
hammer?
this red guy is
Uh-huh.
trying to chill at the corners.
You do this for yourself, Index.
Oh, my fault.
Stop! I swear, if I die from this, bro, oh no. You're done, bro. You're done.
Oh God! No!
Oh,
You suck, Index. You suck so bad.
Wait, I might die here. Wait, I'm not.
Yo, Mega, are you watching, bro?
Yes.
Watch this. Oh shit! Wait.
Wait, no,
Don't
Chuck's
do me, bro.
OP.
Don't do me. Oh.
How the fuck do I put it in full screen?
Oh. No.
no, the duck chucks, no! Yeah, get him!
No, he got me!
No, I got frozen.
Oh, that's a full knockout too. I won't make it back.
You thirsty? My teammate dead again. You're joking.
I got frozen, bro.
Oh my. Every time why am I on a team with you so often, bro?
Alright, red, it's just red.
Get the shit out of Otterton.
Oh,
Oh,
you
that's-
idiot!
Nice,
You
I
hit
knocked
the
you out.
fish.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh,
Wait, that's easy. That's easy. Wait, you win. Oh, close.
Oh, yeah. No se meta conmigo, compa.
Look at that.
Look,
Easy
light
again.
work, bro. Y'all.
I gave him the win and he threw.
Yeah, out of the way,
How many
losers.
players are allowed in?
Out of the way, losers bracket.
I'm not sure actually.
Out of the way, losers bracket.
Nah, I'm the winner, bro. I get to take a picture. Oh man.
Oh, there's me.
Peering out the edge.
This red guy's just running.
Oh, my bad.
Allah Akbar.
Oh, shit. Oh,
No, not me.
oh shit, just like in Star Wars, bruh. Oh!
You win.
Let's go.
Y'all won.
Not even, I wasn't even worried for a second, bro. Oh shit.
Oh shit, it's tilted.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get off. Oh, damn, make it sweet love. Oh. Hey, fuck off, bro.
Oh, my bad.
Fuck you, bitch.
No, no.
No. No, it's a bomb, bro.
Oh,
Damn, that red guy's still alive.
no, the dog. Hit the dog.
Yo. I refuse.
Oh.
Oh god.
I got you.
Triple.
Oh,
Bruh, you trying to...
fuck it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in.
That's how you want to play.
Fuck me.
Oh, it's a bomb.
Oh!
Ow. Stupid cat.
Oh,
Love it. Oh.
Oh no.
oh fuck that. You're on your own.
Oh you. Yo, that guy got knocked.
No,
Come on,
no,
whoever's
think
on
of
my
it.
team, you
Think of
got
what
this.
you're
I
doing.
cleared him away.
Oh, hey, truth. No!
I can't get him over. Come here. You're coming with me. No! Wait. No, I'm good. He won't pick me up in the meantime. He got knocked before me. I get up. Alright. You gotta be kidding me.
No, I missed him.
No, this guy sucks.
Oh,
Yo,
he's
he
gonna fall!
He's an idiot.
Not even close.
Oh, that's the wrong team. Never mind.
How did bro kill himself? Bro, yes.
You had the end, man.
Okay.
Oh, I got knocked out.
No.
Oh, it's my teammate.
Bro,
I'm
I'm on your
sorry.
team, bro.
I'm colorblind. No, don't take my teammate. No.
You think about what you're doing, buddy. Think about what you're doing. Think about what you're doing.
Kick his ass. Kick his ass.
No, hey, bro,
Cow.
you hit me.
No. Okay. Wait, hang on. No, he got me.
Okay, get out of here.
No. Oh.
How do I throw you?
Oh!
I knocked. No, you knocked me.
No, I got you.
No.
Oh! Yeah, you think you can throw me?
Oh, I fell, but I
You
brought
think you can
some
throw me?
Oh,
Oh! Bitch.
Ow.
fuck you, bitch.
Look. Oh!
Oh, wait. You won. No, he won.
Oh, who won? Ah!
Damn.
There's a match so longer though. They go. Wow, this line said one.
No.
Oh, bro!
Oh, what? Oh, okay, that was weird.
Oh, I got him.
Oh, you got him. The red is just hanging on. Oh, you
Yes.
got him.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes,
It's red.
sir.
It's just red. No.
No. They
Yes,
were all.
so
They were all
wins.
beaming.
Fuck you.
Now you were talking shit, Omega. You were talking
I don't
shit,
trust
Omega.
myself.
No, you knocked me off. You knocked me off.
Why am I so knocked out? He's gonna have a cut.
No.
Ah, goodbye, cat. There it is. Red team wins. Then we fumble, Martin.
Yeah, we fumbled. Yeah.